Hi, my lovely Geminis, welcome back to Tarot Talks. I hope you guys are doing good and are safe with your family and loved ones. So, Geminis, first and foremost, let me wish you a very happy birthday, guys. May this year be one of the finest years of your life. May it bring in lots of health, wealth, peace, bliss, abundance, and may all your dreams come true. Okay, so Geminis, it's your season. Just go kill it, rock it. Okay, have fun, have blast. So guys, like always, we're going to do the collective reading for your sign. And last month I had not done any readings. I was like, you know terribly occupied personally and professionally, so I couldn't do for the last month. But yeah, we are already like unbelievably, we have already halfway through this year, and just how, yeah. So yeah, so guys, like always, it's going to be a collective reading and it might not resonate with all. So just take what resonates and leave the rest, okay? You would also want to check other signs in your birth chart for a better and clear understanding. If any of this is your story, if any of this resonates with you, do give the video a thumbs up, drop comments, share your experiences, and last but not the least, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. So guys, while pre-shuffling, I'll just keep it short, okay, because the readings get really lengthy and I am really trying to shorten them up. So one card that, or one message that kept on repeating was Ace of Swords. It was backed by Ace of Wands. So some of you guys are probably going to work on some new project, okay, something that you are probably very kicked up about, and you are very excited and you have been waiting for it, okay. This is something like, this is an opportunity that kind of aligns with your likes and passion and skill sets, okay. So definitely new project, new work, new opportunity coming your way. I also feel that some of you guys might have gotten clarity, like all of a sudden, like very, it's like the sky is clearing up. That kind of thought was coming through. You got clarity about something all of a sudden, out of the blue, okay. That was repeating very strongly. Some of you guys, or rather someone out there is not willing to give up on something or someone. It's like you are dead tired, exhausted, but you don't want to give up, okay. That's what I was getting. Some of you guys are spending quality time with your family and loved ones. And one important thing that I wanted to mention was, when the moment I began shuffling and meditating for you guys, I actually felt a lot of heat, like literally proper, hot and heat, hot feeling or heat over here, on over this part of my hand, okay. Is it visible? Yeah, this part of my hand. And I don't know what it meant, but it was so real. So I don't know if it is making sense to any of you guys. Do let me know in the comments, okay. I would really like to know what it was about. So yeah, with that guys, let's get started and let's see what we have in your main reading. Okay, that's your health card. That's your finances. Lovers. Woo. Gemini, that's your own energy, by the way. And that's your overall energy, or other general or love messages. See, you are definitely tired about something. Oh wow, I like to see that. Empress is my favorite card, by the way. Anyway, so your health card is showing up as Four of Cups, and which means that you are there are a couple of things that I'm getting, guys. You are probably, someone out there is not willing to invest in health in terms of, like, resources. Like, maybe you are more into free resources, like do it yourself kind of a person. Research, find out more, check articles, check social media, and find certain diet tips or workouts, and see free workout videos on YouTube or something like that. You are not going to a gym and investing, or you're not consulting a nutritionist and investing. All you're doing is you're doing things by yourself. I mean, yeah, nothing bad in that. I do it myself because I really am not a person who is very comfortable going in a gym or anything. But so sometimes I try to work out at home, seeing the workout videos, and there are a lot of good resources on YouTube. Okay, that I completely agree, but it should be case basis. Okay, if you feel that if you have any health condition, if you have any underlying health condition, it is very important you take guidance or seek guidance from the experts. Okay, even if you have to pay for that, do it. Okay, it is worth it. It's an investment, it's not an expenditure. Okay, so if you have underlying health condition or something like that, do not sit at home and experiment. Okay, just go and get a professional advice. Okay, legal medical advice. Okay, sometimes I often tell in my readings that if certain things work from certain group of people, does not mean that it will work for you. Okay, everybody's body is different, and we need to understand that. Do not kind of follow something blindly. So by investment, I mean that you need to invest in right resources. Okay, that's what I mean. And it's worth it, guys. Taking professional help advice is definitely worth it. Every penny worth it is what I would say. So please, especially if you have any health condition, do not ignore it and do not shy away from seeking professional help. That's what your health is showing. Also, by guys, I feel that someone out there is kind of bottling up emotions. You are kind of keeping up to yourself, and there could be something bothering you, or there could be a necessity to go and talk to someone. Okay, or maybe confront someone, or maybe share or open up, confide into someone, whatever it is. But keeping up to yourself is not going to solve the problem. Okay, we tend to do that many times, but sometimes we need to speak up, and then we realize, oh, why didn't I do it earlier? Okay, why didn't I speak up earlier? Okay, so please speak out, please speak up before it's too late. Okay, also this kind of attitude bottles up the stress. Okay, and until one fine day you just explode. Okay, you just literally explode. That might happen, so don't let that happen. It's an accumulated stress. Do not keep on piling it up. Okay, just go say what you want. Make sure you're assertive in saying whatever you want, communicating, but make sure that you're putting your point across. Make sure you are venting at the right time. Do not by any chance pile it up till the point that it starts affecting you. Okay, that's what your message for your health is, guys. And moving on to financial card. Well, lovers energy, I don't know why it has shown up in your finance card. Maybe some of you guys might find his or her love at workplace. Okay, that is one possibility that I'm getting straight away. It's your own energy. But another thing I'm getting is the another message that I'm getting is of synergy. Okay, working as a team, collaborating. Okay, collaborating at workplace to get some work done. Okay, that's what I'm getting. Let's quickly clarify. Please tell me more about Gemini's workplace situation or finance situations. Two of swords and 10 of swords. Oh my god. Oh my god. What is it? So guys, oh my god. That was completely unexpected. Like completely. So guys, and I was talking about clarity, right? I mean, that could be in near future, because there is a 7 of cups also in your energy. Some of you guys currently are kind of sitting on fence, and you are literally having no clarity about what the situation is. Okay, at workplace, maybe some of you guys could be feeling stuck. This is a hangman. This is hangman energy. This is a Piscean energy. Pisces and Gemini. You could be having Pisces somewhere in your birth chart. Okay, or Gemini somewhere else also in your natal chart. So basically, guys, you are feeling stuck, and you are not knowing what decision to make, and you are really feeling confused. You actually do not have any clarity about some situation when it comes to your work/finances. If it's finances, you don't know where to invest. You're trying to find out best options to invest into, maybe you're seeking advices from your friends, family, or the experts. When it comes to career, you are probably feeling stuck, and you are feeling like you're not growing at your current workplace, and you don't know whether you want to stay here, or whether you want to move on in terms of your career, in terms of shifting jobs. But whatever it is, you definitely don't have clarity right now over the current situation. There is a lot of air in your energy. You definitely have strong air elsewhere also, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. Okay, you see those signs, if at all they are there in your other places. When I mean other places, like if you are Gemini sun, then maybe you would want to check your rising sign. Okay, rising sign plays very important role in our life. Okay, so you'll get more clarity there. Okay, or maybe your moon sign, if you know. Okay, so guys, there's a lot of air, by the way, and you guys are definitely upset, disturbed, and sleepless over your work situation. Okay, something is very much bothering you. Maybe this lack of clarity, maybe this situation, or maybe this feeling of remaining stuck, or feeling stuck and stagnant. Whatever it is definitely bothering you. And someone could be, oh my god, this is such a not good energy, guys. Someone could be a backstabber in your circle, professional circle. So please do not trust anyone blindly in your profession, because look at this image as well. Okay, she does not have clarity. Okay, this whatever this flimsy cloth is, she is not able to see clearly through the other side. Maybe this person maybe you have an idea that something is not right, but you don't have clarity. So maybe it's time to keep your eyes and senses and ears, everything open, and do not trust anybody. Okay, I am very sure you are very very stressed out about something. You are sleepless or tensed or worried about something, and someone might backstab you, or maybe it is time that you put an end to this toxic situation, whatever it is. Okay, especially workplaces, toxic workplaces can be really really a pain. Okay, I can vouch on it, and I'm sure many of you can as well can. So yeah, it could be a difficult decision, to just walk away, but I think that's what is needed at times. Okay, so maybe it is time to take a break, take a step back, and contemplate, analyze the situation, and see if you can do something about it rather than remaining stuck. Okay, and see from a third person's perspective, extremely objectively, and in a non-biased manner. Okay, and then arrive at a decision. Like, what advice would you give to someone who is telling you about this toxicity or this situation? Okay, maybe that is what you would want to do as well. Okay, so yeah, I completely feel you, Geminis, whoever is going through this. Your general / relationship messages has Wheel of Fortune, Hermit in the reverse, and Page of Cups. Guys, you definitely are, someone out there. You guys are going through a major shift, or you will be going through a major shift, personally or professionally. Let me clarify what this Wheel of Fortune is. Please tell me more about Wheel of Fortune. Oh my god, there you go. Cancerian energy. Wow, there is Capricorn Devil at the bottom of the deck. Guys, this Wheel of Fortune could be a new job offer, career progression, promotion for you guys, some of you guys. Okay, definitely forward movement in terms of your career. Whatever situation that you are stuck in right now, maybe a couple of weeks or months down the line, it's going to shift. The wheel is going to shift. Okay, and this wheel is probably in terms of your career is what I'm getting, guys. You might get a new job very very soon. You are going to see forward movement, forward motion, progress when it comes to your career. Some of you guys might, I told you, right? I saw Ace of Swords so many times while you're pre-shuffling. So Ace of Swords is talking about new beginnings. To me it was appearing as a new project, but it looks like some of you guys might get a new new job opportunity altogether. Okay, so heartiest congratulations. I'll be so happy, especially if you are someone who is belonging to this toxic cycle. If you get a new job, I'll be really really happy to know that. Okay, because I do understand work side toxicity. Moving on, there was Hermit in reverse, right? Some of you guys definitely, where did it go? Yeah, you guys definitely need a break is what I'm getting. Someone might be working round the clock and it is time to take a break. Okay, there is Hanged Man also over here. Hanged Man and Hermit both somehow give me the same kind of energy. You know, this, you, some of you guys might have hit the saturation point, okay, and you really need a break is what I'm getting. So please go and take that break, okay, or do that soul searching. Ask yourself those questions, okay. Do not avoid situation. Do not procrastinate. Do not postpone. Even if it is taking a holiday and you're postponing it, do not do that, okay. Do it right away. A break does wonders. I won't say that it changes everything, it will make that toxic situation positive all of a sudden. No, I'm not saying that, but it definitely breaks the cycle and you kind of feel a little rejuvenated and refreshed to face the toxicity or to face the world yet again, okay. So please go take that break, and on more soul level, spiritual level, ask yourself those questions, okay. The answers that you're seeking, you are not asking yourself those questions because you're probably avoiding, you're not confronting your own demons or your own fears, okay. So definitely time to introspect and kind of ask yourself certain strong questions that you are so avoiding, okay. Page of Cups is indicating some message communication coming your way. Maybe it could be this job offer that is there in the pipeline, in the horizon. Maybe you have not gotten it yet, but it's just around the corner. And it's also, I feel that there is an idea brewing in your mind, okay, and maybe it will come to surface very very soon. Maybe you'll take that decision, okay. This page is telling me that there is something at your subconscious level which you were not acknowledging up until now. All of a sudden it is going to it's going to hit your conscious mind, and you'll gain clarity. I told you while pre-shuffling also, right, that someone is going to get clarity all of a sudden. I feel this page is that clarity for you, okay. For others it could be a message, okay, from someone whom you are not expecting, long friend or someone out there might pop up and express his or her love to you, maybe an apology. That message could be absolutely anything is what I'm getting, okay. Let's move on to your overall energy. 9 of coins, guys. Money is definitely looking okay. There is 10 also. Wow, 9 and 10 of coins, definitely lot of money coming your way. There is Ace of Pentacles also. So all these three cards indicate lot of money, okay. By lot I mean bold italics caps, lot, okay. It could be through promotion, it could be through new job, it could be through inheritance, buy or sale of property, whatever the source could be, but there's a lot of abundance and money coming your way, okay. 9 of Wands, yes, definitely someone out there is exhausted physically, emotionally, and you're tired, you're burned out, Geminis, okay. Someone out there is really really burnt out. You're refusing to give up, but I think at the end of it you're going to succeed, because there is Chariot showing up in your energy, which is a very good sign. I'm really happy to see that Chariot, and that Chariot, he's telling me that it's going to be fine, you're going to succeed at the end of it, okay. And Empress card, Empress is again symbolic of inception or beginning of something new, okay. Now this new to someone could be a new job, new career opportunity, fresh start in terms of career. For some of you guys it could be pregnancy, in which case heartiest congratulations. If this is you who is expecting a new member in your family in terms of baby, heartiest congratulations. Do let me know if that happens, guys, because I have this record whenever I have predicted a baby, and many people have testified for that, that Richali, in this reading you had said, and that's true for me, and it makes me so happy. I cannot even tell you, like, I feel so blessed, to be the messenger for such a happy news to someone, okay. So yeah, a very happy card to leave the reading at. I mean, I told you, right, Empress is just one of my, it's like rather it's, I would say it's my most favorite energy in the tarot deck. It just gives me very super cute, positive, nice vibes. Okay, so yeah. As a mother, someone could be tired too. You could be exhausted too, because once a mother, always a mother, and mother duties never end. So when I'm just seeing these two cards together, I feel that someone who is really, really exhausted and probably needs a break. Some mother out there, okay, maybe all mothers, but yeah, that's what I'm getting. Let's pull one timeline message, guys. We are like, let's see when whatever is predicted in this reading, or maybe whatever it is that you are desiring, let's see when it comes true for you guys, because the a new job is being shown so starkly over here in this reading, or maybe a baby news for a baby. We can see when that happens. Okay, so let's see. Tentative month. Okay, always take it with a pinch of salt, right? August. Okay, August. We are what in June, July, August. Okay, it's not like very far, like July, August, 2 months down the line. Yeah, not very far in the near future itself. So, guys, do let me know that if any significant thing happens in the month of August or somewhere that time. Okay, do let me know. Okay, this is your tentative timeline. Please take it with a pinch of salt. Do not stick to it. It might happen little earlier, it might happen little late, but yeah, it's just a tentative timeline. And guys, we are already 6 months down the year, and we can have a energy check. Let's see what lesson your soul wants you to know or learn for the next 6 months. Okay, let's quickly see what soul lesson we have. Surrender. I can release my need to control. Such a beautiful message, and it's like easier said than done. So many times we try to control things which actually aren't in our control, and that could be the source of like many frustrating things, or source of frustration or agony is what I would say. So just surrender to the divine. Just believe. I know, I mean, I am not even liking rendering this message because it sounds so uncomfortable. I also go through so many frustrating situations. I am going through a lot of frustrating situations, and I feel agitated, angry, frustrated, and then I realize, well, it's what's the point actually? What's the point? So yes, however hard it is, and this applies to me as well, we should learn to surrender and trust the process, trust universe, trust God's plan. Okay, I can release my need to control. Such a profound message, and I believe Geminis, along with you, I too need to hear this. I can vouch on that. I too need to hear this. So yeah, thank you angels for this. This message looks personal to me. Okay. Anyway, Geminis, that was a wonderful reading, one that really surprised me in some parts. And I really like delivering the messages in this reading. Okay, I hope you liked it too, and in which case, do hit the like button and support my channel by subscribing if you haven't already done so. Spread the word, guys. I really want to grow. Okay, so I'll see you next month directly, guys. Till then, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye, take care.